you tough guy. Come on, tough guy. Yeah, run away, tough guy. Come on, baby. Hey, come here and smile for the camera, baby. Did you beasts of nature bring this unholy hell upon us today? Did you beasts of Satan bring this unholy wrath upon us today? Sunny Florida. Welcome back. Welcome back to Florida, baby. These demons are bringing fire among us every day, baby. You betcha, baby. Birds are sent from the heavens, baby. You betcha that one. What more glory? What more glory will these birds bring upon us today?
Whoa, it's a double rainbow!
What more glory will these birds bring upon us today?
Bobby, there are other people living in this neighborhood. Double rainbow!
What more glory will these birds bring upon us today? These birds have brought us a rainbow. It appears these birds have brought us a rainbow. This is simply true. What prophecy is this? It appears these birds have brought us a rainbow. Maybe even two rainbows.
These birds are surely sent from the heavens.
Heavens me, Tintin. There are birds on the roof. Birds on the rooftop. What? Surely have.
Now get back, Jack. You can't stand on the street. Now get back here.
What pot of gold shall be at the end of the rainbow today?
Yeah, if wet ground is wet.
Whoa. What birds are looking around?
Down back here. These birds are looking for...
Hello, young travelers, and welcome back to another video. Where today, well, same video about the birds sent from the heavens. As the birds travel off into the wilderness, the two rainbows depart and begin to start forming into one again. As the birds travel off and separate from the world, the rainbow also departures. Always remember, the birds are the angels of the earth, sent from the heavens. Heavens me, yeah. Yes. The birds brought us this rainbow today. It is
Now we must remember the birds are the ones causing all the fortune and the wealth in the world and all the rainbows to the world.
And I'll tell you that one. Not a bird in sight. And the rainbow's starting to departure.
Follow the birds, and you'll follow your heart. I'll tell you that one. And good day! What more glory is possible with this bird enlightenment? These birds. It's possible with these
Birds.
The birds that have been looking around, bringing rainbows to the world, have also returned to the neighborhood.
The same two birds that were brought here millennia ago have returned again in perfect condition across the street from here.
These birds have been lurking around for several days. We saw them earlier in the street. These birds. What birds are these?
Wacky birds.
Wacky old birds. Wacky old birds.
Same two birds are back again to teach the prophecy of the birds to the earth. These birds have been sent from the heavens.
Haven't much voice left, but I can tell you this one. Birds are sent from the heavens, surely. This isn't a sign.
Gods. The birds, I don't know what is birds over there.